Okay. I've checked under the bed.
Yeah?
I've checked all around the room.
Mm-hmm.
And now, you're gonna go to bed, son. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good night, son.
Good night.
All right.
Dad?
Yeah?
You think we can leave the door open tonight?
Oh, come on, son. You're 10. You don't need that anymore.
Okay.
Go to bed.
Okay. Good night, Dad.
Good night, son.
You are not alone. I am in your room. Though you're only 10, do you like grown men? 'Cause I am in your room.
Timmy!
It was Michael Jackson. He came out of my closet. He was saying, "You're not alone," and you're in my God.
Timmy!
No, I don't like grown men.
Timmy!
He was moonwalking.
Timmy! How many times do I have to show you? One more time. You see anybody in that closet, son?
No. But.
Enough of the nonsense.
Okay, Dad.
Go to bed. Good night.
Okay, good night, Dad.
All right.
Okay. Michael Jackson is not in my closet. Michael Jackson is not in my closet. Michael Jackson is not in my...
Your bird is mine. Let's get it right. You're not a man. You're mine tonight. I'm telling you what you want to hear. Just drink some wine and then come here. Come on.
Dad! It was Michael Jackson again. He wants me to drink some wine. He said, "You're about to learn."
That's it. How many times do I have to tell you? That is not Michael Jackson. That is Prince. Now,
Dear